So a lot of people ask me as well, where is the second battery of your ThinkPad laptops? Starting from T440 up to I think T490, all of them have two batteries. If you want to replace them, or if your laptop is not holding any charge, you can replace both, or you can use laptop only with one batteries. So let me show you where is one battery, where is second, and how are you going to replace them. So when you close your laptop, first battery is very visible, so this is your first battery. To remove it, let me try to, you're going to clip one side, clip another side, you can have it out. So this is one of your battery. So, and that's very visible, but most people getting confused is where is second battery. Second battery is underneath this cover. So you will need to unscrew all the screws around. This one is very important, don't forget it. A lot of people do not unscrew this one, so they break this thin plastic, it's very thin. So don't forget this screw. Once you have screwed everything, to open the sides, use something plastic, not sharp, or it can be sharp but not metal, I wanted to say. Plastic thing. And you will need to go all around the edges, and then you are gonna take it out. I cannot do it with one hand, so I'm going to, let me try, but I don't think so. I'm going to pause it. Okay, we are back. So I loosen it up, take it out. Your second battery is here. So if you want to replace, so your laptop basically can work without this, so you don't need this to turn on the laptop. It will work only with this one. So if here is empty and there is this battery, your laptop will work. So that's all good. However, if you want to replace this battery, you're going to need to unscrew a few screws. One here, and there is two next to the speaker. Let me, sorry for the focus. So one more is here, and one more is here. Let me try removing this screw as well. Alright, so just gonna remove it. It will be attached here. I'm gonna take this out, gently pull it. If you're not sure, there is these clips on the side, you can push on them. So once you removed it, and if, for example, both batteries are not working, you can replace them both. But if your second battery is not working, this is your second battery, you will take out this one, put another one. How you see me unscrewing, you just screw it, put this back in, now it's in. Take care of that cable so it doesn't go, that is exactly where it should go, so it doesn't get on the way when you're closing laptop, so you don't see the cable out and you won't be able to close your laptop. So that should be all. I don't know, do I have battery in this laptop, but obviously you need to screw it. But just to show you that it will work without this battery. So it can work only on that loosen up battery that I forgot to screw. If you have any questions, I will try to answer in the comment.